In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to GoHighLevel. Connecting these two platforms lets you keep customers, orders, and products in sync, so your marketing and automation always use up-to-date store data. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. Start in your GoHighLevel dashboard. Look to the bottom left and open Settings. In the left sidebar, choose Integrations. On the Integrations page, use the search bar to type Shopify, then select the Shopify option and click Connect. When asked, enter the name of your Shopify store. Use the subdomain portion of your URL, for example, your store name, from your store-name.myshopify.com, without extra spaces or characters. Click Next to continue. If you're prompted by Shopify, sign in and approve the connection so GoHighLevel can read the data it needs. This is a standard authorization that grants access for contacts, orders, products, and collections. Back in GoHighLevel, you'll see import options. These control what historical data to pull in right away. Turn on Contact Import to bring existing customers into your CRM, including names, emails, and phone numbers where available. Enable Order Import to load past purchases, which is helpful for segmenting buyers and triggering post-purchase automations. Switch on Product Import to bring your product catalog and variants so you can reference items in campaigns and pipelines. Enable Collection Import to include the product groupings you already use in Shopify. Pick only what you need. Larger stores may take a few minutes to finish importing. When you're ready, click Next. Now set up ongoing sync settings so new activity keeps flowing automatically. Contact Sync keeps new customers and profile updates aligned between Shopify and GoHighLevel. Order Sync brings in new purchases as they happen, powering abandoned checkout and fulfillment messaging. Product Sync keeps titles, prices, and inventory current. Collection Sync ensures changes to your categories are reflected in your CRM views and filters. Toggle the options that match your workflow and data volume. To finish, click Save. You should see Shopify listed as connected in your integrations area. If something doesn't connect, double-check the store name format, confirm you have permission to install apps in Shopify, and try again. You can revisit these settings anytime to adjust imports or pause syncs. Your Shopify store is now linked to GoHighLevel, ready to fuel smarter campaigns and automation.